Hello everybody, sorry for the rush cut off from the last video at the end of bag 2. I had literally less than a minute before it ticks over the camera, stops, it only records 30-minute videos. It records 30 minutes and then it'll start another 30 minutes and what have you, hence why I only set timer for 50 minutes, which I'll just set going for another 50 minutes before I forget. Yeah, like 49 and what have you second, 29 and what have you seconds, sorry. And I just finished the last bit. Literally, if I go here, the instructions to open bag 3, and the last piece is that I fitted. So I rushed and ended the last video without a proper goodbye, whatnot. Sorry about that, but short on time. I didn't want like a 1 minute video to upload a 1 minute video, and I didn't want to spend like 8 hours computer merging that 1 minute into the onto the end of the 30-minute. Yeah, my computer is not good when encoding 4K video. 1080p is fine. That'll be like would have been like an hour or two, but 4K, that's far more. Right, okie dokie. Got another little bag in this one. Get this opened. Hopefully I can complete this before the timer runs out. But I am not going to rush, so if it ticks over, it ticks over. Right. Oh, yeah, another little bag. Oh, that one. Yes. Ah. Start splitting stuff up. Yeah, big pieces. Out the so. Ah. Leave them in there. Right. Let's say these are all split up. That. Those. Righty how. Right, where do I begin? One of these and this. This goes on the underside. Come on. There we go. The ring plate goes on the underside of the 4x4 plate. Turn this round. Got this thingy here. This goes in like in the middle there. Turn it upright. Got this rounder thingy that's like a grip on it. That in the middle with a white 1x2 converter block there, and a grey thingy like grill, what have you. I need the thingy with the vertical side on the out, so it's like so. Two more of these whites go the outside like so, and then these 1x1s converted on the sides, setting up each corner. Come on. So basically, you got a vertical grain, you can attach stuff from the sides all the way around. Right. 2x2 plates, and these go on top, like so. These angled pieces go on in order to form like a cross. Like I said, a cross. And then these quarter circle pieces go in the corners, the smooth plates, what have you. Those like so. And then another 2x4 to go there with the grey block there, so following the line like so. 2x2 to 1 converter with this thingy here on the there. 2x2 blue block. Goes on top here. Like so. And got in here a couple of these. These go like so. got this thingy, upside down ramp thingy, which goes on the back here, like so. Right, a 1x2 regular plates goes there, and then need a couple of these pieces to go on there, like so, like a rounded thingy there and what have you. Right, need 4 of these. I am not sure how to describe them, so I'm not going to bother. 2, 3, 4. There we go. And 4 of these 1x2 smooth plates. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. These smooth plates are going to fill the gaps on these. 3 and 4. Like I said, they've gone on to fill those gaps, and then these go all around the edges here, all on the sides. 2, that sort. Oh, right, put them on a bit wrong. Basically put them up a 1 notch too high, so knock them down a notch. Wondering why it wasn't going on. Just me being an idiot. There we are, all the way around. Right, a long piece. Need these 2 big thingies. These 4 long pieces here. 1 2x4 and a 2x2. Right. So get the 2x4, put the 2x2 in the middle. Then got these long pieces go attached to like a long piece like so, and then these go on top like so. Right, and then this goes on like so. There we go. Hand's not riffing. There we go. There we are. Like this, it kind of looks like an old style fridge door. You pull on the handle sort of thing. It opens and latches. Like a latch handle sort of thing. Sort of a lock. Hold it down, it goes down and it locks. you pull it up, pull it out upwards sort of thing, and it unlocks and you can open it, sort of thing. I hope you can understand that. Right, this probably a repeat of what we've just done, apart from the long piece. Come on, get attached, will you? Won't you? There we go. And then, yeah, that's, yeah, practically building up the same as what I had before. Repeating this bit, sort of thing. That one, that one. So I'm just mostly doing this off view a bit, but you can practically understand what I'm doing. I'm just repeating what already done. Those. These. I've got the block here, the grey thingy got a cross on top. Come on, come on, come on. Gotta fill in the corners. That one and that one. Right. This one goes on top here. That one with this one. That. This goes on there with that to there. 1x2 goes on to this, these two pieces. The only difference for this one is it doesn't have the grippy thingy there. So yeah, it doesn't have the grey grippy there. So well, that'll be there for a reason. Right. These. That's. Oh man. This. This. Ah, there we go. Those and this goes under like so, and that basically sits on top there. Yeah, fits quite nicely in there. Put that there for the moment. This is actually almost done, surprisingly. Right. This is just basically a combination of these angled pieces, these white pieces, these 50-50 peg and crossbar thingies, and this like a crossbar with a ball end sort of thing, and just straight up building the imitation cable, and then attaching it sort of thing. So I'm just going to build this sort of off screen here. So let's start with these. So start off with the ball end and what have you there. So just keep that one onto there. Right. That. That. Nice. Bend straight, bend straight. Straight, bend. Straight. Bend. This one. Right. So just trying to that, that, that. Um, that one. That one. Just try to level it up with the picture here, see how far I go. That one. That one. That's that one. Come on. Oh, this one. Uh, on the home stretch now, so to speak. Get in. So. One, two, that and this one. Ball pen, one there, there, round. That's that. And then these. Good, okay. This and this attached to that. Right. Right. So. Basically, this thing. You can see this, it all goes into different positions, flags around, what have you. This connects to the back here, in this ballpoint thing, ball thingy, and into there. So, there we go. That's all done. So, the phone, here we go. All done. Right, 29 minutes. So, yeah, this is all done. This is all done. Hello. Let's make a dial up. Spin the numbers. Got the sticky pads and the pencil. But that's all done. So, with that, I'm going to end it here before it ticks over. I'll see you next time, folks. Bye bye. Bye bye.